Hi friends! So I am going to be doing a get ready with me video just because I thought it would be fun and because I'm going somewhere really exciting tonight. I'm going to the Taylor Swift Reputation Stadium tour tonight that's down in Tampa. I am so excited. I have never been to one of her concerts and this album that's out, oh my goodness, I just have been obsessed with it. So I'm super thrilled that I was able to talk my sweet boyfriend into going to the tour with me tonight. I'm really excited. I thought it would be fun if I just do a little quick video of a get ready with me. So I'm gonna do my makeup, I'm gonna do my hair, show you what I'm wearing, and then good to go. All right, let's get started. And that was my get ready with me for the Taylor Swift Reputation Tour concert that I'm heading to in seriously just a little bit. I'm still so stoked. I hope you liked everything that I got ready with. But I wanted to show you really quick this cute little clear tote because all the stadiums are doing it now, which it's a good thing for safety and everything, but you need a clear bag. So I just ordered this off of the Taylor Swift site because I just thought it was really cute with the little Reputation printed logo right there. It's not much, it's pretty plain and basic, but I just thought it was really nice because I got the clear tote, so I'll be able to get in, and then I'll just throw the necessities in. I have my black little clutch that I can have my money and my lip gloss and everything like that. And then of course, I probably end up leaving these in the car, but I'll have some sunnies for the drive down, and then a hair tie just in case it's really hot and humid because it's an outdoor concert. So I'm hoping the rain holds off. So far, we're okay. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this get ready with me video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I will have everything that I used, everything that I had on prior, everything that I have on now. I'll have everything linked for you below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to it. That way you can see more of these style videos. I do a lot of style and fitness hauls, so make sure if that's something you're interested that you hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that bell. That way you always are notified every time I upload a video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave those down there below for me. I love reading them and just communicating with you. Until next time, bye!